Hi, and welcome back to Cooking with Louise. I'm Louise. We are right in the middle of summer where zucchini and summer squash is in abundance. In today's episode, I will be putting those to good use in my Thai vegetable stir fry. This is a meatless meal, but you can always add some chicken if you like. All right, let's get started. So these are the ingredients that you will need in today's recipe. 3 carrots, 2 zucchini, 2 summer squash, 1 red bell pepper, 1½ cups of frozen defrosted edamame. You will need 1 cup of coconut milk, 2 tablespoons of peanut butter, soy sauce, cornstarch, our delicious Asian seasoning, and for a topping, you will need some fresh basil and a few chopped peanuts. The first step in this recipe is to thinly slice the zucchini and the summer squash. So to do that, I'm going to be using our veggie strip maker. And I already have a video on how to use this product. I'll post that below. So to get started, we're going to cut off the bottom and the top, put it in my garbage bowl over here. And I'm actually going to slice it directly into my large bowl. So I'll just put it on here like this, and you place it on top, and we're just going to do thin slices. You want to avoid the seeds in the middle, so you'll want to just keep rotating it. So now this in the middle you can save for making a vegetable stock, so don't throw it away. I'm just going to put it in my bowl over here. Here's the next one. Okay, now for the summer squash. Now for the carrots. I'm just going to quickly peel my carrots. Chop the top and the bottom off first. Okay, and then I'm going to use our vegetable peeler. All right, looks like I got confetti here. All right. Okay. Now we're going to grate the carrots. This is easier like this. Okay, carrots are done. We're done with the veggie strip maker. Our edamame can now be thrown in here as well. And now I'm going to cut up our red bell pepper. So let's just do it this way. Okay, now that that is like that, I'm going to use our veggie spiraler. I need to cut this in half like this and like this. Put this in here. And won't fit. We'll have to do that in round 2. All right, let me bring this closer so y'all can see. This goes on here like this, and we're just going to twist. Can you see it coming out? You see the red pepper coming out? So as you can see, all of these vegetables are sliced super thin, which will just make dinner quicker. So the cooking part will be so much quicker. I'll just throw those back in there. Add the other pieces. There we go. Now we're just going to give these a quick toss. Just mix it all together. Look how beautiful this looks. All the colors, yellow, green, orange, red. It's so pretty. All right, I'm going to set this aside, and now we're going to start with the sauce. We'll start on the sauce. Okay, first thing we need is 1 cup of the coconut milk. You can use the extra coconut milk in your smoothies or try it in your oatmeal instead of the milk or the water. Delicious. Okay, then we need the 2 tablespoons of peanut butter. I'm going to add a little extra because, oh my goodness, I love peanut butter. And I had made this before, and we decided that a little extra peanut butter would be good. Okay. That was about 2.5 tablespoons of the peanut butter. Okay. Next, I'm going to add our 2 tablespoons of Asian seasoning. And just so you know, all of our seasonings and rubs are all gluten-free. And then we're going to add the cornstarch, 2 tablespoons of the cornstarch. Okay, and now the soy sauce. Again, 2 tablespoons. Ooh, my hands are shaking. Y'all see that? Too much coffee. All right, now we'll whisk all this up. I'm going to set that aside over here. And for the topping, for this recipe, we need some chopped peanuts. So I'm just going to get that ready ahead of time. Use our food chopper. Just going to put them in here and just do a rough chop. So just take a few seconds. Get all your aggression out. You had a bad day. All right, so that's good. Just a rough chop for those peanuts. Dry roasted, slightly salted, and then the fresh basil. All right, so for that, I'm going to use our herb mill. We just need a few of these basil leaves. That's good, and then I'll put that on. And now, the way this works, you'll see at the end, it'll come out like confetti, so I'll set that aside. And now we're ready to start actually cooking. Today I'm using our new family non-stick skillet. This skillet is stovetop safe and oven safe. The handles come off so that it can go in your oven. Also, this makes it for easy storage. So I have my skillet preheating, I'm going to add a little bit of vegetable oil. For even more flavor, you could use our garlic infused canola oil. That would be delicious. I'm going to add to that 4 cloves of garlic. And let that start cooking. Well, that was a big old clove. Okay, we'll just let that cook for a few minutes. Set this aside. There we go. Oops. We don't want to eat the skin. Not sure how that got in there. Okay, let's let that cook a little bit. Now you don't want to burn your garlic because then it gives off a bitter flavor, so you want to keep an eye on it. Just want to saute for a minute or two. And then to this we're going to add the sauce. And we're going to let that heat up, cook until it's thickened. Shouldn't take more than 1 to 2 minutes. Go ahead and turn it up a wee bit. There we go. Let that cook. Okay, can you see how nice and thick this is getting? That's from the cornstarch. And then all we do is add all the vegetables all at one time. And this will have to cook until your vegetables are the way you like them. I like mine more on the crispy end than the soggy end. So I'm not going to cook mine too long, but it shouldn't be more than about 5 to 6 minutes. You just kind of want to toss in all the sauce with them, let it just cook, keep tossing. The chef tongs make this really easy to do. While this is cooking, I'm going to go ahead and get some brown rice started. Let me give it a final stir, and I believe we are done. Turn this off. So this recipe is best served with some brown rice, but you could also serve it along with some noodles if you would prefer that. Brown rice, and we're going to add, oh, it smells so delicious. I'm hungry. And then we're going to top it with some of those crushed peanuts and a little bit of the fresh basil. Watch how it comes out like confetti. See that? Ah! So a little bit of basil. Let's see. I'm afraid to eat it, but it smells absolutely wonderful. All of these vegetables are cooked and with that peanut butter sauce. Truly delicious. Now this is really a very easy weeknight meal. I hope that you will make it for your family. I'm sure they will love it. I will post the recipe below in the description. Please be sure to give me some thumbs up, share my recipes, and don't forget to subscribe. Happy cooking! These are all the products used in today's video. I have put the links in the description, so if you would like any of them in your kitchen. And remember, please subscribe so you will be up to date with all of my latest videos.